Edodia. Edodia. Isa. Esa. Elisa. Isa. Elisa. Isa. Isa. Hey. Idalevo. Idalevo, tina desene, idalevo. Idalevo, tina desene, idalevo. Idalevo, tina desene, idalevo, tina desene, idalevo. Hello. Yeah, so I think Binoya, welcome to my world today, my favorite brother. Oh, yeah, hello. Good afternoon. I am on live video, eh? Okay. Okay. You know the black hole, but not gold. But you know the black. I've been using my own for 6 years now. But you know the black, believe me. Alright, thanks. Wakoya. Yes. Wabokin. Ewe bakpaya na do atwe good morning. Eso mai ko be hukunu ya to in the name of Uhio. Wa be na be kai. Elijah wera me watwe. Ije me na atwe la mogun. I see you. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Wabokin. Amaturu atu no nya wabokin wala ye wala la mogun no ye me wa bebe nege kai. Wa bebe nege kai wa kada. Wa kojo. Sati bino ma ya ye ba ka poso na yon. Wa koyo abira me vije me wa Elijah o. Ote sedeha. Ekuni my like si say 1 week ade. Wa ni uvedere oni la video do lerun ni fancy me. Ka be viewers we followers. Avo se ni mogo me here no ma. Votu legba here. E ma here wa 100 he. Ekuni oba be the account number here. Me no wa can tap but is yegbe you for me. Wa wesi no we me kuni here fe in ajewe rotu legba here walao abira me bije me ni re o we kuni walao oviwa otinwa ehin ije me we amaturo atuwe no nyawa osie idano pe dano ho idano mobo idano mowe idane kpole kebe idane akpanoro eko waya wa bebe nege khai ikeke iti omani ati iwa topic ipen wa me issue kere ni oni address be no concern 18 mahia nigire webona issue kere waro ni oni ka address ne kere ogezo ogezo ekuni mani dezo waka enia except o mana oni be gunyegun ibe do guegun so that is that if you do never wagire ke no se ke no rame wotu legba here bana miewe maga ikpa ne wo ware evini maki mado ewe imaki bana miewe maga ikpa yo ware ne ekeni makede maido wa yo to emi yani ekeni magwakede ni magwado yo bosin wa we egi bani makere or evo ni marinyi all those kind of thing bana mie a social media CMM if you do never wagiri kate maniviedo you understand kate maniviedo at the end of the day una don't live una papa house for house even that time for village same na even sand house red sand house na plenty pass for village before we constantly manage they use smith they smith small so that it go still let person they look where me for grow na red sand house na be that one where I for come na red sand na we take build as we sleep you understand me no can know wetin can dey happen for this Europe say if we don't enter Europe all those where we dey come from we go come dey raise our shoulder as if we come raise our shoulder say as if we no go even we never even first sleep that kind thing at all we never even not be there with for come at all how in the name of waiting Europe do me well waiting the news is all over the place the news is too much on social media where me for come na red sand house na for come na there me sleep where they use restaurant they mode bed you understand because this our lifestyle for Europe is getting out of hand if you finally come God come bring you to abroad he come make you somebody it no mean say where you are coming from you come forget that place instantly you come say no be there you for Koko you come say na Abacha father na Abacha na he gave birth to you na Babangida na he born you na this one na he born you waiting they happen our people waiting they happen waiting they never see before wey be say na Europe na we wan come start to dey see I don't tire for most of our people for this Europe. If you go this side, hey, why you they brag? If you go this side, you see where this one they live, you see where this one no they live. This one, make una bring down a little. Now that place where they come from. Never you forget where you are coming from. You have what you were once sleeping in that restaurant house. You were even where you they sleep those years. My dear, now restaurant the time the bed where you they sleep. Why now bragging all over the place? Now so you build 4 houses, now so you build 3 houses, now so you build 2 houses, now so you build 1 house. I beg, the nose is too much. I dey shame for my people. If you now know the shame, I beg you now. Why laughing others? If you feel build 2 houses, now God do one for you. Give God the glory. If you feel build 4 houses, you another person never build. I beg, make you take your life easy with yourself. Take your life easy with yourself. I beg. No matter, everybody get you for body. No matter what, me wait just the say na poor background I for come. So una not they take waiting royal coin they talk. Una will say no, hey, nah, this one do this one. Even the poor background with me for come. Una see they laugh me for there. Una see they say na so this one not do this one. Na so this one do this one. I never forget where I am coming from. I am a EJ where I for come. We no even get. We no get anything. Even Garina with the soak. Even all those kind of things. We no get anything. That is why Royal Queen no they brag for who want render me help. I will never and I will never be. I will never be. The nose is all over the place. Not be say that one says still good. That one say no join at all. As far as me is concerned, or do you love it? No you join for my own side. He no join. But enough is enough. Even though na restaurant house he father build, na read this thing he mother build. Now this one where he for come he no good oh. Now so he they brag for social media. More na face of your love it, not be family house. Make una face of your love it. If una want to insult of your love it from beginning to the end, make una insult am. Make una insult and make una leave the poor house where they build for village or whether na town city or wherever they did. Make una leave one alone. Make una continue na bragging for Europe here. But wetin come concern family, concern wetin dey Europe here. E no concern them. They una talk. E no concern family. Una insult on social media. E no concern family. Una laugh on social media. E no concern their family house. It does not concern their family house because not be a family tell you love it may come do nonsense for Europe. Not be the family say may go bring a yelala for una. Why they laughing all over the place? Why they say una own yash open for ground? Why they laughing? Or why they chon all over the place? Why they gossip? You get your own for body. Royal Queen get your own for body. This one get your own for body. And why others also get their own for body? I understand the man. I don't want no jima vegbe or tiegbe adaze. Wala ho wo we don't never hear. The laughing is too much. What is it? It's too much. This one go say, no be say that one me not the supporter. No, I know the supporter. But what concern family house concern or do you love it? Now, if father or a mother, nice and your lovers make on they do saga for social media. The answer is no. The answer is no. Why will now just go to the extent, go they look for in and out of people issue where they live or where they don't live. May not take time. Many of you are there. Enough is enough. Mona not say person not talking. At the end of the day, when the nemesis will start falling on most of you guys there, you people will start say, hey, now so you not do this one, now so you do this one, now so you not do this one. I beg, Mona bring una laugh down a little. Nobody will not stay village. It is only few that said there does not know village, but their family come for village. Nobody will never still do this farm work. If you not do one for village, you do one for Bini. I bet they not they do farm work for Bini. The answer is yes. They see they do farm work for Bini. Not just only village. Even though the village people will not they say now so this one, not do this one. They are comfortable with the village lifestyle. Not be me tell you that they say now so we carry our my senior sister come Bini, where senior me. He say no feel leave his husband. He go back to his husband. Why they laughing all over the place? Why they laughing? If na last time he wants to stay with your husband, if he say no go feed the wait me your husband come the visitor, he go back. Now where he like okay because he go back, he don't know what he do abi. I beg, Mona see they bring you na laugh down. Now there for come. All of you go no level. E man na je egene de cannot no ba ya bowa. Ne ko block na ivoran virina. E block be ga no makomo. E kene e kemba aya bowa. E kemba. Ba me no kemba. Red Sand house. Red Sand. Now they build us those years for village. Why they laughing all over the place? Now so where your lover father has they now so you dirty, now so you not dirty, now so you do this one, now so you not do this one. I beg. If I want to talk to your lover, I talk to her on my own. Not going to the extent to his family house. What thing? Oh, if family house now this sound amount can they do saga for social media? The answer is no. All the time. Una own day una body, una lifestyle, una secret, all full all over the whole place. No jima vegbe, no ti egbe adaze. Wa go we ma we no be mu ma ladian. See you. We just then we social media saga say we be 10 houses in be Nigeria. Then we bring ma dance na ya pay no ya fe. We bo we nene wo wa. We bo we va ne wo wa. I will give account of €5 bana. Why me real Latin? If I'm not here, why do I wait? Orijo bome. Oh, if I'm not here, Ogarwa wa so we vani wadwa hu nejo bo we ni adorijo bo no wa mete woni no be anejo bo we ni anani akin we eriera bije be 10 houses in Nigeria eriera bije be 5 houses me getting ye lobo we ye mana ya gomeri ya lobby ye wa we na ya lobby ye wa we na e wo bo wa o wa nu be nu we ba brag se ve petiota o wa nu we jo nu we ya je Nigeria na oje no ge khoro. Why can't you have shame for once? I didn't know where singlet ye no singlet in I could be Johnny Jugbo menari gwe. What for? Oh ya aladia ko weke when no expire ne no roda o da we mi atiewe. Oh ya aladia do agie ma. E hwe gbo we be mu we. Wa bungbe ve petiota no refe clafina. Wa bungbe. Ah when agbo we yo kan we gbe wa ayi je ami ni je group mo go. Meno wata na we a village kere o I go via bonikin o gene wa makaberio I mebe ran no tamo wa be ekpechota one day we meno sa we mezo we gibe 10 houses you wa. Why they bragging all over the place? All too much baby do. Most especially the Benins. E deme de ni mekin ya go wa gun. E deme de wa so we ba unero la hin. No, why you back here? You mostly one irrespective of Tanori Zagio Tornado. Umade one it be no wababa. If I can now walking. Oh, we ye born a bookie hackeka. Or he was a webo. If we to see ya no go here. On a wa view laddie. O magi get dog bonoje, give me a PC. Eriera me bo we no, erije me bo we how, eri me bo we bill, eri me bono now, eri me ma bono now. My dear, nekin abo ware we bona. Ije me we no kabo wa or bo weji, no kekebo or benu mode. No kabo wa bo weji, no kekebo here or benu mode. Be mine a fian yagbe he, e ukbo ni maje mari egbe mayo. Gwano wa ladian passe message giona, uwe passi giona. Wallaho, o senen wa ya mo uje mangunwa. No wasi winere aye. Once in a while do ya go wa wasi winere aye. I winere na ga mu magbe. Ami obo miege na ya nwini nwine gboma. Ami obo miege na ya nwini nwine gboma. Kere gbake nene gbe kere mi ati nene gbe gbake. Wa kere no. Wala go most ivie do no respect ota. No why si ojo to wa gwa lebe no wa ya neja bo he ne mi na so ama no wa dege na enyu wa ya to riba ni ngwenere ya bia babio ko yu wa so kunviva wa mario bo hi ngwenere wala ho wo wa maka gbogbo wo wa veni meje me ka gbogbo ni ege ni na me bezin warewa ege ni na ya be ke skuru be mauda ugbo be ya ba ya ugbo warewa ege na jo agwa logo warewa ege ni na je mi atie ya giara iran ya vun ye ko wa warewa ege ni na jo egile ya gwa legile warewa ege ni na we mi guga osegogi osege fie osege gbo ekuni oreva osege nana gunya ireva osege nana gbogede ireva akao evihia osege na ajalogi mabekia oge na kolo mabekia domano mahe bo ugoni ija ye wala we boy we amemi gbo ma be me bagunde ya ekeni kede e wa ye kede my sister o se na ye kewe bo akin abedero e no se na rovio ni huere ne ve ne gbe age ya be wa ni ke monica ina je be ari gu eni kere ina ari ugbo ona so arovie here even hu o se o understand me na o we hu emu me na kewe bo pa he wo vie big man ajebo iya okay beni wa kewe bore ni iya tu ya we gwe igi ju gbogeti ire webo be sie meme mani re web in Nigeria na je re Europe odo ya ogo meme webo sie meme even though it's 100 years to come ya yeti wini ugbo ya yeti wini ugbo na tina fe mene nwa ihe na hwime emi ni kin do tama wege ikin sa bo agume ni egume lelutu no hoho akin be webo utu ne gbe wo ne hia no wa la dia mi nu pu wa de kan chon musician de netie we sef de tie we bi do ne bo agere wala owo wala ho wala wa mi wa hia fefefe I wa be topic ogoni itani wala owo wa mi wa hia wala ho ige ovime owani dijobo ovi igwoje ovime onwe oni dijobo superstar no mo wa me talent very all in the name of o me talent mother nwa no so vedere ka be pe ne ya ye be pe ibo o ma no mo wa me talent no oni dijobi ma hia wala owo wala ho eti wari gweberio oni dijobo hono ekere ohono no 2000 naira gumie 5000 naira gumie 10000 naira gumie no bo obu wa gba iyo no sue music nisi we have a more video reladian later no ya si woni we am slippers no ro we igwoje wala owo wala ho wa de ba me support wala owo avera me bijimi wa en we ni kuni kere ekpeti otana imere donate obo we mana de wala ho wa be testify yoni wala owo wala ho avera me bijimi wa himi wa ya keke no se ke no rame wa de ba me rijobo ne because e oborun opa kin agbategbe wala owo wala ho no bo wariri wa gba kan no 1000 naira omi ijobo yakin o kan no 2000 naira omi ijobo no o kan no 5000 naira omi wala owo no me na ti su wan ni ladian se lobo obe ya so ni ladian na igwoje ovi ologboje wala owo okedo vuiga o kebe do adie do o vuiga we adie do wala o wa de ba men support wala o be ra vin vigim wa en kuni ma area mana de since that 2012 don't need your bokpa wala owo wala ho no wi jobo ni ekponu kerire ediyo wala owo wa be mi o be degbe mo ni won ladian ni the video na do de okay no be dukma gbon ye gbe ya so ni ma be ge gina se tene ni won no so eteri ni warin ri wala owo ike tie ya pe ni won waya wala owo amire owe una mi omo no gbese ije me wo mo agbese onye me ase me bio emi ro pa egu wala o ya ti e baba wala owo wala ho no bu wariri wa gba wala owo e ma ibi ata na wa be tami ya we e kuni me regele do nejo bo live video de demede 2012 e kuni kere live video o ma ere do ne ijobu wa one day we eti adono wo wa kiari eme wala ho egbe because bo wa vene ni won gun we am sleep passing oro we ijimi eku ga amume ine saloboa wala ho ekeme na do suela dia won ego get asibi wala wo wa bera me bijime wala ho wa de ba me jobo ni I can't no bani wa eri eje bani ni wala ho wa de ba me jobo ni wa la ho wo wala o you working or you working owo bi e bo ari ovi e bo da because we ni eje na oni di jobo kakabo mo kun ro pa no jo ijimi ebe wa bo pa lokoni ove ka be ya don igwe ove don o ke be dori eje gbe ove ka ho ene ke be dori eje gbe wala ho emi ro pa gue kaka then we team so no we support na no we yakbe sebe no ekpe se na erio enwani support no je o ga mi no back enwani arin so ni wala wo wa be ra me bijimi ne wala ho o salo bo abe ni ka no kan warion wala wo wari awujo bo na ni wala ho abe ra me bijimi ge inwa no so na wala ho inwa ga na ke Wari si o bowo ware si eyi ni o ware Wari si o bowo ware si eyi ni o ware No yes yo where you are Si o baba o na ile o wa re polori Ye na kina Amade the background. Wadege manage oya esu ebe nyana na. Edede ebe bi oje osopo noje. Koso mo la kive nya me we so we gbe ge. Amadege. Wa mo la kive nya na yi o de dereva. E mata wata. Injini we are made the background yellow ijeme we are me osa na nari jobonoma o eba ma kakaka ni edo ta we emi ati e no ogele local because he go ro nothing wala owo abera me bijeme ni ti e wala o cause ha ope ni ke imi ayo to ne wala owo wala ho kono 1000 naira kono 2000 naira obu wa gba wala ogwo account ni wari eje wa veri ejo ne o ve inbox me ati e na we a messenger we akuni iri 1000 naira ye account ni o kuni iri 2000 naira ye account ni o kuni iri o salobo must ofin gbo e ponu wa keri ho ni re ege di yo wala ogwo wa vera me vi me wala ho wa support of you wa no wa gumetie ya mo ye mi ati e phone no pa we. Hello. Hello, Remy ya ye. Hello, Remy ya ye. Aye, mere la video. Ni mo ye speaker no guyangun. Iya dame yo.
Okay. Amira me jeme. Wa tok me of wa ya du. Le no be obi wa Osamu jame nu ya gbon la. Wa ya ye mo wen. Na la o tele de Osamu me do bi ije me no ki no ma. Wọ́n yí wọn mẹ́lẹ̀ ilẹ̀ fídíò náà wà wá lẹ́kẹ̀ẹ́ nálà wòwò nárí yóò bọ̀ nẹ̀ ọmọ nẹ́mẹ̀ yóò bọ̀ nálà nárí yóò bọ̀ ọmọ nẹ́mẹ̀ yóò bọ̀ nálà wòwò ìwà wẹ́sẹ̀ nẹ̀ kẹ̀ nálà wòwò rẹ̀ ọmọ nẹ́mẹ̀ yóò bọ̀ yàkéríà nálà wòwò ọ̀pọ̀lọ́ ọ̀kẹ́rẹ́ o wàlà wòwò ìwà wúyọ̀ bọ̀ mẹ́nu wàlà wòwò ọmọ nẹ́mẹ̀ yóò bọ̀ ìfẹ́sọ̀ ẹgbẹ̀ ọ̀bí ọ̀kan kéré ẹ̀yìn sí tó èmísìkì náà nìwú náà èyí dé sọpọ́tì ní wà láwòwò ní wà wúyọ̀bọ̀ mẹ́rin ìgbàtàwà pé wà láwòwò ìgbàtàwà pé wà láwò.
Ohun because ito oge mawe a music iwe ni o wari enwe na ri o le se background o maye me kakaka so ni oyi me imi yana ni alawo ni adeba me support iwe because a background I must tell you the truth ma clear kakaka rudi go ro nihi igo ro o sie ni yare igo aroba wa ti pe ebe no sopo no oje so ni alaho wala wo wa vera me vije me wala ho ovi okan kere no ovi ologbo no ovi okan eno wala ho wo we am a background ni na pe we we igo si no manager nene no mana de job no sopo no ya go alo wa me be ni ya pe hu na ladian lobo ya pe wala wo avera me bi je me wa support e o kon no ga 1000 kon no 2000 anyone obu wa gba force wala ho yi mi amaje wala wo vi me no wala ho wo avera me bi je me ehe no obu wa iriri gba no okabe ya vu guy ne vugbo be vu guy ne omo no wa me talent no okabe ya vu guy ne vugbo kebe adiedo obe diedo na no boy igo no be kun abi guy obe diedo madege osie ne the music mana e background e mana de yo be na be musician no bobe so ebe ya working ya wala ho oni dijo bi ma hia fefefe ki meke ya no wala ho
wala wari yo bo meru da we monana yo po ya kerian wala gugu de gbega ni memu ni me aso so music me na wala gugu wala era me je me ma ya ko mo no wi yo bo me wala gugu na le tisi wa wala no wa wi yo bo me wala gugu
ohun ya degbe ti e we gbe
okay sorry
wadege ne avera me bijimi we agele mi okari ugbone ugbeso wa nu wa go reta e de no be mo video ge la de ona arugbo ona are mi ati e ona agun abe mi ati e ona we vin yen wa e na ona we even eyin na nu wa dege na be mo di video mu ye video Facebook me ba oreva na to ogeji wala ho otimano because a talent no me na gi egwu iwala owo e bi edo wa me talent no ogagun so fa igo magyo wo kan debo o magyo wo kan webo wala owo wala ho o wa me talent agbon no wa gi a talent o egwu video o ka bi agwala logo ne ugbo o ke bi adi edu wi yan do iwe yan do ya we music yin ni mahiala ho ovi wa no bu wariri gba ona oge force wala ho wa gele wa dege ni ai kuni o ma no we mi dan o no we mi no ma gba wa ya wala owo no bu wariri wa gba no no 10 euro o no 20 euro o no 30 euro o no 50 euro bo we gba wala owo o igada e ku gbo ti ya we mi agun ma ya la ho ime yin we have me no pa no de nedia na go pa be London o dege na wo rita imega so yogo ni oviedo o hospital be UBTH eyanari olode ni eyan wa ya paralyze o we UBTH eyanari olode ni na ije be voso no da we be yana o weri yen ka veje o we UBTH eyanari olode ni na wa paralyze eyan manati ya eyan iwa ya re wheelchair na po maria wa ade eke do nwa sebe nyana oviedo for that matter oni wa be kin owo boy imega so videge ave video ego me na ami ati wa ati ke we kuni o go vita won mu wa so be bani o saga no madano wani we life no fake life wani me kuni we fake life eke ni mena mi ugbo eke evani ibe ya jere be ni ma be ya su serio ja yo ave arugbo ni agbeso wen ri ugbo mama ive dege e ori odugbo agbeso ba be call me be WhatsApp mama ge o yin ri ugbo bi ya we music yin so mi sedo wala wo oni di jobu wa account number orodukun e video na no boy ri wa no bo wariri gba ona oge force wa invoice neba wa be do we kuni iwan ya je be mu e ladian ban ona oge wa to bo wa kan yi do ta we yi ogele ni di jobu wa mi bata no ro we iyen egu no vi oye gbe aloko na dele hia wala wo ijobu wa gwalo no wala ho ovi wa no otin wa no wa be ge we I do ovi me give no rivo ogele wa ni de ni mala ho ojeme aya se gbogi ma wa ya la wo ni ma ga we mi esi owo mo no we mi esi owo mi esi o mi no we mi dan emi dan we mi ni aya ye gbe me ya ye ni aya we mi dan be ekpeti ota me e better ni e we live video. That is me. E better be no ave wa me avo coming this thing na iyan ni di jobe ma no boy riri no bo ma riri se ave ja awujo bo be netin o ma se e to yan kun enu wa o yan ri eju wa bo e o wala owo wala o egbe wiki me the music e ka mo la diane na president do ye me the video a video ge onwe no ka wa so before ni no ka so before ye send le WhatsApp me no go me do mo la di a video no we ha me o video me oh my god o we agele we jobo need ala wo me wa dore do mi wa be de na eno no riri we jobo ne wa o wa be gbon ye me a video me na after I am done with the video o wa eta wa iri 1000 your account me gan na o geni ni yawe o wa di me be WhatsApp do onu we ni jobo la ho egbe me ya kun me we la ho ya wa i okan ni love ye lo to ma se ni aya kun wa ya fefefe jijobo no nanu wa u no vi me na egbe me hia e wa no mi akolo vi e be yana mi ave lo o be pe la diane e be do ka we yes true me ovi okana ya mi jobo ka true me ovi okana ya mi jobo no na ti be ti do spring up no wala owo wa we me wala o e wa yin wa u na rudame o wa na we wala owo wa ge kuni we mi dan I need music. I need the music in it. Yeah, we live video when we YouTube even. We when you want to know you born now. Ma ya na we live video YouTube me ya na we video me. Wala o ebi do ne bo agiri. Life ya wa ajire na on my YouTube channel wa. Wala wo you when you do work it. Ruda make you get now. Ruda make you get now. My brothers and sisters all over the world, if you need a hookup, inbox me. Look, a lot of people that is calling me, I don't really like it. I don't like it. I always said it, not bringing my number here because of nuisance. No, I don't. I bring my number out because of my business. God bless you, praise God. Ya mo the video ye live video ban ya mo ye Facebook ban any wa daga we mi ro pa ego oni di yobo o send ego me na the video ya mo ladin ban o ma ni gun akan niki oni di yobi ma ni mala o wa mo ru na ya sinhu why say please don't why say Ruda make you gene wa need there because my own in our video me there na why go Irudijo bona ya me labi. Wa need una need Emi have a necklace. Madage ni fio ye history me baba. Ni wa no egbegele oko. E ba sie ona ave ko kiri ko awo wa mi ati ebe street wa so beba. Ami wa ya je emi ya no ma viola dan ya o emi ati o ma de ni vio history ba e ma gele ti e me yo sin ba si wa me be receive call ba si wala wo won me no rin o si na ekegbe o si na ekegbe wa gumi adele mi wa ma mi ni wa wa ni kin oni any ha this thing wala ho ime imi agwagumi ademi ekuni me better necklace correct one. You can see it on my history, different one. So we am in like me no be the light tiny one. Any yawaro. Why inbox me? Inbox me be WhatsApp me. Let it be for business. Not you are looking for my number for years. You will be calling me. I will block you out. If you like, you'll be my father. You'll be my mother. I know they welcome nuisance. If you are not calling me for hookup or business, I keep saying it on my video. Don't call on me. I am a responsible woman, not irresponsible. Call on me with what you want. I plead in God's name. Don't call on me because, hey, Queen, I've been searching for your number for a very long time. What are you saying? If you want to call on me on Messenger, not calling me on WhatsApp. I don't need it. That is the truth. I need my WhatsApp is for my business. My WhatsApp is for my business, is for my hookup. If you pass hookup and business, don't call on me on that. When you want to call on me on Messenger. If I like to answer, I will answer. Not you badging on me every minute. When I want to sleep, you cannot let me sleep. 3 o'clock, you will call on Queen. 2 o'clock, you will call on Queen. 4 o'clock, you will call on Queen. That is not what I want for myself. I don't need it. And for the very last time, don't try it again. Not even my mother. Don't do it. When I say don't do it, you want to say, hey, let's see what Queen want to do. I will block you out straight. Queen is not that kind of woman. I don't tolerate nuisance on my WhatsApp. I will just, put my hand there, block you out. I put it there is because of my distance. You have never seen my number on my screen for once. I put it there is because of my business. Not because of you want to toast Queen. Not because you want to, hey, Queen, I just love you. I want to marry you. Not that. I am not looking for husband on Facebook. Por favor. I am there because of my business. I am there because I know what brought me to social media. My mission must surely complete, not with nuisance people. Don't call on me when I say I don't need something. You respect that thing. Queen does not need it. Believe me, I keep saying it. I am not looking for husband on social media. If I am even looking for husband, I know where to get one. With only me, go fetch it out. Not you badging it to me. Queen, I just love you. Queen, I want you to marry me. Queen, I want to be my dear. Don't do it again. Not even you nor anybody. If you are not coming there for business or hookup, don't call on me. And when you are also calling for hookup, this is not child play hookup. Believe me, take it or leave it. God has already been faithful to me. And people I am hooking up, God is faithful with them. If you are not ready for a hookup, don't call on us. If you are not ready for you want to settle down, don't call on us. I am not nuisance hook. I am not doing nuisance hookup. Very responsible. If you are ready, call on Royal Queen. If you are not ready, this is not a child play hookup. Or let me speak in my dialect. A hookup is not for a child play. A hookup is not a baby hookup. If you are ready to marry, call on me. I will give you what you want. If you are not ready, say you are still want to be playing game, don't even dial that number. I am not bringing my number out for stealing people. that does not responsible. My dear, so the most especially when you know what you want for yourself, when somebody really call on you, you first of all, if you want to look do hook up with someone, look that person from head to toe. Watch if that person is responsible or not before doing hook up. Not everything where you see, you say, I want to do hook up, I want to marry I need a woman, I need a woman. First of all, they look people where they do hook up before you they will tell them, may they hook you up. If not so, you will enter one chance. You will enter one chance one day. Must you go there all the whole classroom? And I don't say you should not go. When we have class of quality people that fit hook up, we have responsible people that fit hook up. We have let me even put it, the real quality people that do hook up, that really, yes, God sees their heart, they can do it. Not at the end of the day, you will see your picture on social media, you will see your picture on everywhere. That is no hook up, my dear. When you want to do hook up, look the face very well. Hello. Look the face very well before doing hook up with someone. At the end of the day, you will start, hey, oh my God, oh my God, oh. Why are you crying? Are you not the one that went there for the first place? Look face before you tell person, make person hook you up. And secondly, even though you don't spend 10 what did they call it? 10, you don't spend money for them 10 times. I don't want to hear it. Mine is mine. I don't want anything that happened in any other platform to come to my hookup. Save it with them there. And come to me if you want. I don't want to hear it. Everybody with your own business. I do my things my way. And when you do, everything I am doing is responsible. Not anyhow. Both you women or man, if you are not responsible, don't dial my number. Make sure you are really ready to settle down. Not by saying, I want to settle down. I want to settle down. At the end of the day, you are facing the repercussion. No. You want just to play game with the man. Or the man, you want to play game with the woman. That is no hookup. When you are ready, yes, I want to settle down. Be ready to face what you see there. Even though the man have money or he does not have money. You are ready already. You have to ready for once. That is marriage. If you are not yet ready, be dancing all over the place. Be doing all kinds of things all over the place. Because you are not yet ready. Even though you want to date 100 man, now you sabi. It's your body, not mine. But make sure you are ready before telling all the people that you want to do hookup. Okay? There are responsible people who is ready to settle down. When you are not ready, still be playing outside. Still be playing outside. At the end of the day, after finish playing, when you are now finally decide you want to settle down, welcome to Royal Queens Hookup Program. Okay? I always said it often and often. When you are not ready, don't dial the number. Except check your heart very well. Hey, Royal Queen, I am ready. I want to settle down with a man. Or a man, I want to settle down. I want woman by my side. Dial Royal Queen's number. And you are not going to regret in anything whenever I hook you up. But be responsible for once. If you like it, they do shorty. Now shorty na money. Except a woman will never ready. Now they say, waiting I want use shorty person do. Waiting I want, my dear, normal job not just too much for Europe. Eh? It's not too much. Now most of the men are shorty do. In shorty, they still use and manage builders. I beg, be here. If you are not ready, never you die this number. Now they say I the joke. Queen is there to give you a responsible woman that you will call yours. A responsible woman that will love you for who you are. A responsible woman that will be loyal. A responsible woman that will make you happy. A responsible woman that will put a smile on your face. And woman, when you are ready, anything that is in your finger before, throw it aside. Throw it aside. Let it go. And when you are with a woman, when you are with you are ready already, stay away from friends. Stay away from all those people that will bring you back to your past life. Stay away from them. Be good for once. Be responsible for once. You will see everything will work out for you in a million times. Some will evil day because that man is giving you money. He's giving you money. He's helping you. You will be calling that man a fool. You will be calling that man idiot. You will be calling that man all kinds of things. Like seriously, he's willing to help you out. Not you. You are not the one who forced the money out of the man. He just wants to help you out for the love he has for you. Don't take it for granted. Don't take it for granted. If he help you, he's helping you. Be grateful about that. Stop telling your friends that this man is foolish, this man is idiot, this man is that, this man is this. Hey, my dear. I am only telling you the truth. I am telling you the truth. If you want to settle down, stay away from nuisance people. If you want to settle down, stop discussing your man issue with your friends. If you want to settle down, if you want your home to be a peaceful home, I will go to YouTube on that. God bless you. And I love you all from the bottom of my heart. I beg anyone who willing, wanna follow me to YouTube channel. So I want to go to my YouTube channel. So now, so I see anybody who helped my son heart, may your pockets never run dry. May God Almighty continue to bless you for the support you are going to support my son. God will bless you. You guys can hear his voice since I will post the video later so that you people can watch the video. You will see, hey, Royal Queen is not lying. Even the shoe that the slippers he wears, you will even pity the poor boy. This guy has talent. He needs help. He needs support from us. So please, I beg you all in the name of God. The account is on top of the screen. So it's for you guys. Please, I beg you all in the name of God. Help your one and only son out. Take him as your son. He's your son. God bless you all. And follow me to YouTube channel. And God bless you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube name, Queen Glory Uruefe. You can see it on the screen. Subscribe as it hurts. God bless you all. And follow me to YouTube channel. It's going to be hot topic on my YouTube channel. God bless you all and loving you all like no other. It is same me, your one and only Royal Queen Osawonigazowebu. One love always keep us together. AKA Ulelefe Nogarueru. AKA hey, heavily made. Omagba River, any other heavily made still sleeping. Wala wo. Waya mia omo agbese onyeme o se ni bi o wala ho account ni rodu kun e screen ni okon 1000 naira o ya support e oya do it for your boy. God bless you all and stay blessed.